Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you top 5 tips you can use to improve quality of your pictures for Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. So the first one are visible on the main camera and its aspect ratio right here. I would make sure that I'm using the 3x4 like this. You can also scroll down this toolbar to select it. So enable this one as it sharpens your image much more but reduces the view on it. So now let's take this photo, for example. You can add the timer to stabilize the photos as well. Next one is to enable HDR right here. Make sure that it's on because it also improves the quality of your image. Next is to open the settings, navigate to the photos, and here make sure that your front camera is using high resolution as it increases the resolution and the quality of your photos as well. Again, go to the settings for the next one, and right here make sure that you're using shot optimization as it improves the quality of your photos also by changing and adjusting the light and the color of your pictures with the AI settings. If you open the settings again, here's a tip from me to go to the capture settings and tap anywhere to capture. That way you'll be able to stabilize your photos more and keep the phone stable. Press anywhere and don't move. It makes the photos less blurry as your phone doesn't move at all. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.